In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in YouTube Studio. So let's get started. First, open YouTube Studio app on your mobile. Now tap your profile icon located at the top right side. Now tap on Settings. Now under Device, you will find an option Appearance. Just tap on it. And here you will get three type of appearance options. Use device theme, dark theme and light theme. The device theme is basically it will acquire the theme of your device. The dark theme will activate dark theme in YouTube Studio and light theme is just the normal theme. So as you want to activate dark theme, just select dark theme option and as you can see dark mode is activated in YouTube Studio. So that is how you can enable dark mode in YouTube Studio app. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.